This how to 1 minute will show you how to create an FTP account in cPanel. Follow these easy and quick steps to create an FTP account. First of all, log into your cPanel and scroll down. Under File section, you will get the FTP account, so click on it. Now enter here the login name or username. Select here your domain. Write a strong password for the FTP account user. Retype the password. And you can change the directory for the FTP account and select the file limit from here. It will be the upload file size limit. And then click on create FTP account. And as you can see, I've successfully created a FTP account here. Once it's created, you will be able to change password from here. You will be able to change quota from here. You will be able to configure FTP client. Also, you can delete the FTP account from here. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.